Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic is process management in Linux. A process is an instance of a program currently running on the computers. So, as we all know, process is just a program running on computer system, and also in Linux, processes are managed by operating system kernels. Operating system kernel allocates system resources and also schedule and also the scheduled process to run on the CPU. Next, basically, there are two types of processes: foreground process, background process. Foreground process are process which they are characterized by their inactivity, and also for example, like you could be running on an office, on you could running in process running on office on application on the Linux system. Background process, like on the other hand, they are non-interactive. They doesn't interact like foreground process, and antivirus is the best example. There are basically 7 Linux states: running or runnable, uninterruptible, interruptible, stopped, zombie, traced, dead. So this is a diagrammatic view of that process states. First one is, let us know one by one. Running in the sense it either executes or wait or to be executed. Next, interruptible states that a process is waiting to get interruptible at it goes to the sleep mode. So process will be waiting like to get any process to be run, or it goes to the sleep mode. Waiting for some actions to be happen can wake this process, and also if some action happen, it just goes to the wakes this process. This can be hardware. For example, this can be hardware interrupt signal, etc. Uninterruptible, it is just like interruptible state. The difference between them is, in this state cannot be wakened by delivering a signal. As in interruptible, it can be waked by any event happens, but in uninterruptible, it cannot happen just like that. It's stopped. This state specify that process has been stopped, and also they are like 6 stop, 16, etc. Traced in the sense, this process specifies that process is being debugged. So traced will show that when the process is debugged or not. Whether the process is stopped by the debugger, the process written in the states. Zombie specifies that the process is terminated but still hanging around the kernel process. In zombie stage, process will be most of terminated, but still some of the process will be around this kernel process. So just like, because the parent process in this still or not fetched the termination status, because the parent process will not fetch the termination status still, so it will stay under the zombie process. Dead is a process will be full entirely terminated, and entry will be removed by the process table. This is a diagrammatic view of the process priority. So not all the process will have same priority, or they doesn't have all the process are equal. So to satisfy this, there are different kind of priorities. In general, they are split into real-time process, non-real time process. Real time process it is also known as RT, in which small real-time kernel runs beneath Linux, meaning that real-time kernel has higher priority than Linux kernel. In this real-time kernel will have more priority than Linux kernel, and also real-time can be divided into two processes. Hard real time, delicate or soft real time. Hard real time is a system whose operation is incorrect, whose result is not produced according to the time constraint. In this, result will not be provided according to the time constraints. For example, air traffic control, medical system. But in soft time, result will be according to their and are not produced according to the specified time. But result will be produced but not according to specified time. Example, computer games, etc. These are the main difference between hard real time and soft real time. Hard real time requires hard, and soft in the sense soft it was hard are predictable, soft are degraded, and hard is environment, and soft real time is computer, and hard real time is critical, safety is critical, and soft real time safety is non-critical. Size of data in hard real time is small, in soft is large. Hard real time process. Linux is not Linux is not hard real time process, as it does not guarantee task will meet strict deadlines. The And basically Linux is not at all hard real time process, and it is a soft real time process because they doesn't guarantee the task will meet strict deadlines. So thank you.